Well, I've never been this sad about an extra 2-week paid vacation.
Okay, let's imagine this is the point of the video where we're going to start telling people how to make a voice thread.
Okay.
Hey everyone, it's Geek and I, and we're going to show you how to make a voice thread. And we haven't spent 40 minutes trying to make this work at all. This is our first time.
Straightforward.
So we're going to say add materials. We're going to go down to add file, link, or external tool. And this is an external tool. So I'm going to click there, at which point I'm going to choose my tool provider, which is Voicethread. I'm going to give it a title, Learning Voicethread with E. And then I'm going to enable grading, just because I can show you that I can. I could give it a due date if I wanted to. And I could even grade it with MYP levels if for some reason I wanted to, which I might not want to. And then I say submit, and there it is there. So now I click it to set it up. And it redirects me momentarily to the application with my internet connection that is not as fast as Gee's. And then I'm going to set up an individual voice thread. And individual doesn't mean one student, it just means one voice thread. And so there's one that I must have created in the past. I'm going to say create a new voice thread, add media. So why don't I record a short video telling people what to do, followed by the picture? Does that make sense?
So you want to put the picture first, and then you'll want to add a comment on it talking about the picture.
Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm going to upload the media from my computer. I'm going to choose my computer, my desktop, and one of these is a picture of me and the kids wearing Yoda shirts. There we go. Matching Yoda shirts. Title. Matching Yoda shirts. And then I'll say save. Do I need playback options here? What do you think?
So for this one, there's generally no reason for them to want to download it or to export it. So you can unclick those options to allow them to download or export.
Okay. And
want to allow commenters to add slides, because that's the whole point. We're having a discussion. Start playing with open is fine. It's kind of personal preference. Other than that, you can
save as default if I want, and then say save. Okay.
Do it like that.
Then I'm going to add another thing.
Yeah, so that's the base, like kind of the basic thing that we're going to talk about.
This is okay.
So you're actually going to go share with class right now.
Okay. All right, and then share with class.
Share with class. Okay.
And then return to course, I guess.
Yeah.
Your activity has ended, and then I'll just hit refresh.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So then I start by making a comment about it. Yeah?
That's right. So now you're going to start the discussion by making a comment. And when you make a comment, there are different options, but usually you're just going to choose the webcam video one.
Okay.
So it's the little webcam one. And yeah, it's going to put you right away.
Hey everyone, this is me making a meaningful comment and giving you a prompt for some meaningful feedback about this wonderful picture of me and my children wearing matching Baby Yoda t-shirts. And then I hit upload once this thing is done spinning, I suppose. Save. Oh, save. There we go. So now the next person would hear my comment. And do they then hear each other's comments before they make a comment as well? So they sort of add to the discussion, supposedly? It's sort of like asynchronous discussions?
So now you want me to go and show them how the students will actually go and add the comments and what it looks like?
So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'll let you share your screen.
Okay. And I am a student in a course taught by Matthew Perot. I have entered the course in Schoology, and I'm going to the Frankenstein unit. And I'm going to here to Learning Voicethread with Guy, which we just created. So I'm going to click on that. I'm excited to share my input in this discussion. As soon as we enter, we see this is locked for some reason. Wait, let's hit play.
Hey everyone, this is me making a meaningful comment and giving you a prompt for some meaningful feedback about this wonderful picture of me and my children wearing matching Baby Yoda t-shirts.
Excellent. So now I'm excited to give my feedback. I'm going to go here and I'm going to add my own comment. Here I go. Wow, I really love these shirts. They remind us that even powerful Jedi wizards like Yoda were once helpless little babies. What do you think, next student?
Hey, I noticed there's a pencil. So you could draw on like a mustache on me or something.
Oh, I really love these shirts.
Yeah,
they remind us.
I think so. Yeah.
Powerful
so here, like if I don't like it, I could actually cancel.
Okay.
So why don't we try again?
That way they can make it as.
Oh, hello, hello, class. This is your fellow student, Mr. Belly. And you can see here, and here, the Yoda in question. This is Mr. Perot, and that is the sum total of my input. Thank you.
All right.
And that's it. And now students will be able to look through, see, but you can see on the bottom here.
Oh, hello.
It shows the timeline, I guess, and they can skip over.
Yeah, and you'll see there's a marked
hello.
A cutoff where there's like a new input.
Hello, class.
Okay. Cool.
And you keep going like that.
Do you ever hide the input like from each other until everyone's commented? Is that a thing? Or not usually? Usually it's about recreating a discussion in a online, I guess, right? Where you'd want to hear. I know you can do that.
I mean, I would assume there's a way to do that, but I couldn't tell you. I've never done it like that.
Okay. All right. Well, this is cool. Thank you, Mr. Belle.